It's a combination. The way you would have a Greek diner, you have a Jewish. Deli is a Jewish diner. It's the only way I can describe it. And it becomes sort of more than just a restaurant. It becomes a cultural institution where people go here to be reminded of the foods that they had when they were kids. And we have our own brand of customers. So I have the guy who still comes in 3, 4, 5 days a week. I have the guy who comes in once a week, once every 2 weeks. Then I have guys who come in literally almost every day. There's a certain person who comes into our store, he has a business in the corner, and he's literally in the store 4 or 5 days a week, really. And when we opened up uptown, and he lives on the Upper East Side, he told me, he says, Jack, by the way, if you run into me and I'm uptown and I'm with my wife, please don't mention to her that I had lunch in the deli. He says, in the deli, I'll be eating corned beef and pastrami. Uptown, I'll be eating chicken and fish. The people that come into the deli, even to this day, it's just amazing the number of people, the prominent people, from government officials. For example, Aldamato used to come in, Koch. They used to come into the deli all the time. And I remember Koch would come into the deli and would be very careful with what he was eating. And then I remember literally 6 months, 9 months before he died, he's in the deli and he's eating grilled specials and beans. So I said to my son, he must be very sick. He goes, why? Why else are they letting him eat that? If he's eating that, that means he can eat whatever he wants now and enjoy himself. He doesn't have to worry about his health.
Yeah.
And that's what, I mean, I was right, unfortunately. Governor Pataki came to the deli. I had a thrill. I met Benny Begin, Menachem Begin's son, came to the deli to actually see us.